Page 74. It's a variation on a duet. And it's in Italian, and you can have fun reading all about it. It's a very famous melody. 6/8 time, 1 sharp. It's in the key of G major. Has a pickup beat. Coming in on beat 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. Just follow their fingering, it's fine. Three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's just like one note at a time in the right hand. You have a few accidentals. Just follow their fingering. At the top of page 75, they're saying 2-1. You can play both of those with second finger if you like. But this dotted rhythm, I recommend a 3-1-3 or something. Just so you're not using the same finger on. And then 5. You can, if you want, use second finger on both those F sharps. And then again, use maybe a 3-1-3 or something. I don't care which fingers you use. I would encourage you not to use the same finger on all those notes. I can do a 3-2-1, 3. 2-5 there on the end of that. This is the last measure of the second line on page 75. If you don't want to put a thumb on that, 2-5 is fine, and then 4. The left hand just has broken chords, and keep it soft out of the way. Legato, just transferring weight from finger to finger here. And the second line, the second measure going into the third measure here, you can lift up and go up, it's okay. I don't see any real problems in the left hand anywhere. Put the hands together. Watch these rests to make sure you lift up like in the last measure of the first line here. Right there, when I play that G, the right hand comes up. The right hand comes up, the left hand stays down. Now this break in the left hand, keep that as short as you can. Don't turn in and don't lift both hands at the same time. No, they'd have to put a rest in the music if they wanted you to do that. Keep this left hand down, and then after you play that, then you can come up. And same thing here. After you play the D at the last note on the page here, after you play the D, then you can lift up, move the left hand. There's not a lot of articulation going, it's the slurs, and that's for the right hand. The left hand, for the most part, you play legato except when you have to move. Connect all that together as best you can. Lift up. And here, the last line on page 74. Lift up the right hand. So just follow the slurs. Don't know that I really agree with them all, but that's all right. The dynamics, this is a gentle piece, soft, and that's the right hand. The left hand has to be very soft. not necessarily going to stay exactly soft. You're going to feel this and come up and down a little bit with the phrases and however you feel it. It's like in the last line down there, last couple measures. Dying away here. And then you start up again. My tendency here is to take it up to maybe a medium soft, just a... If this had a climax in it, this would be it, that chord. And maybe take that up to medium loud maybe, and then come back down. So vary these dynamics a little bit after you get to know the piece well enough that you can start getting into the music and feeling it. Speed-wise, poco allegretto means a little bit on the fun side to me. That's what... So just and have fun with it. Yeah, it's a nice piece.